Hi everyone! Today we are going to make Japanese curry rice. It's a very popular dish in Japan. This curry is different from Indian, Thai, or other curries. Japanese curry rice uses store-bought Japanese curry roux sauce, so you won't have to do much preparation. It's super easy to make as a meal when you're short on time. There are many different varieties of curry. You can make it with beef, chicken, pork, or seafood. It can also be adopted into different dishes such as udon, and it can even be used as a filling in bread buns. Let's get started. First off, we will need to cook rice to be served along with the curry. You can refer to our easiest sushi rice using a rice cooker video for instructions on how to make rice. The link is in the description below. Next, let's cut the beef. We need to cut it into about 1/2 inch cubes. Then cut a potato, onion, and carrots into 1/2 inch cubes. Lastly, mince the garlic. Shrimps are optional. You can add them in if you'd like. And that's all for the preparation. Let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Add the onions and stir fry for a minute. Add the minced garlic. Then stir fry them briefly or until they're light brown. Next, add the meat and stir fry them for another minute. Add the potatoes and carrots and stir fry briefly. Now add in 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to a simmer for about 10 minutes or until everything is fully cooked. Add the curry sauce, stirring it until the roux is completely melted to let it thicken for a while. All you have left to do now is serve it in a bowl with the cooked rice. And you're done! Enjoy the meat, vegetables, and the rich, creamy curry sauce. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.